This 11 in 1, and let me say the color is absolutely stunning in person. This might be one of my more favorite colors I've ever seen. So it comes with a nice little carrying pouch. I love that they let you know what each port is. So you got a little bit of everything here. You got audio, USB 3.0, RJ45, HDMI, VGA port, TF and SD card port, 2 more 3.0 USB ports, PD port, USB-C, 100 watt up to. Very nice, guys. The source is Type-C as well. Great for phone, laptop, and other devices that can handle Type-C as a source.